You think you're tough? Try being a walking wool rug in the Scottish Highlands. Rain, snow, gales that knock trees sideways. Doesn't matter. The Highland cow shrugs it all off, behind a curtain of bangs that makes rock stars jealous. First thing, that hair. It's not just for show. Their shaggy double coat is built like a bio-blanket, an outer layer for rain and an inner fluff for warmth. They don't even need shelter in sub-zero weather. That's how insulated these beasts are. Basically, walking fireplaces with horns. Now let's talk about those horns. Males and females both wear them, but not for decoration. They're tools, used for digging through snow to reach grass, fending off predators, and occasionally telling other cows, "Back off! This patch of mud is mine." Highland cows can live up to 20 years, which is impressive when you're basically a slow-moving buffet for wolves, eagles, and human curiosity. They've been bred for over 1,000 years, originating in the rugged west coast and highlands of Scotland. Now, they're found worldwide, from Canada to New Zealand. But true Scots will tell you only the original Highland stock counts. There are actually two types. The classic ginger brown Highlanders that steal every tourist's heart, and a slightly smaller black-coated breed once referred to as Kylos. Same strength, different coat. Both have that signature long fringe called a dosan, which actually helps protect their eyes from flies and wind. Nature's sunglasses, basically. And here's a weird one. Highland cows have a reputation for being calm. Like really calm. They're considered one of the most docile cattle breeds in the world. But don't mistake peace for weakness. That calm is backed by muscle, horns, and a herd instinct that runs deep. You mess with one, and you're going to hear from the whole family. Highland cows aren't just photogenic fluff balls. They're survivors, adapters, and icons of rugged terrain. Nature gave them a fur coat, built-in snowplow, and a zen attitude, and they just keep grazing. Kind of makes your heated blanket and morning latte seem a little extra, doesn't it?
Like and subscribe to discover more animal marvels.